Shakespeare. The sperm whale only breathes 1/7 every Sunday of his life. The sperm whale breathes only once out of 7 times in all his goddamn life. The sperm whale only breathes 1/7 or every Sunday of his lifetime. That's just what Irvin Melville said. Water tipping scales, cause telltale signs of treachery beget me bodacious, begging for attention, creating tension between my thighs. So what, cracker, your niggas ain't shit. If you don't pay up, I'll make up some shit for you to cry about. Not scared of your glick, you can come pick the nits out of my hair after coming for me in the nighttime. For all I care, I'm racist. You and your boys can't face shit. You only break evens with demons. I'm that tight, I'm that bitch, except that bite rising again in the morning to come pouring down on the coop. You got all credit, I'll turn your brain to soup. Nigga, you's a chicken noodle. You pseudo and sweet like Tyler, no hero. The new president is a zero without my pussy in his mouth. Put that on record. His wifey bitch is bleeding right now, period. Tell your gang to go get me a pad. The fuck? Whoever's baby mother. Yeah, fuck nigga, I don't wanna hear it. City girls. All city, period. Atlanta to New York to Texas. Bumfuck nowhere, Kentucky. Ain't nobody raised them kids but me. Period. That's a real tough nut on her butt. That hoe worth 6 cents. My 6 cent dropping bodies. No hottie that's gon' fix your shit, you dipshit. Talking about you broke a big batch. I broke your bitch back. Talking about you broke a bitch back. I broke your back, bitch. I put a switch to your glick and clap back before you get back. My flow is interpersonal, countercultural, yet vulnerable. My humility is touched. You can't intimidate me. I've been about me since Did I write that? The Ebenezer made you a believer, but just in case Julius Caesar had to break in before he got dug in, what new thug is in? Honeybee had to eat jungle bee sucker-free. I came to defeat it. No meat in her teeth like beat up and cursing a curse to savor the search for your merchant. Too pricey, I'm dicey, too spicy like chili ices in summer. Your bummer, no hummer. Ice King, no Gunther. My gun shoveling better for Sumner. I'm losing your vibe. Just go to my side again. How to live by your rules if you let me. Jewel of your right mindset. This is the second verse, had to curse, never the worst. For scheming, I'm beaming, Jack seeing at stalks in the sky. I'm surprised that Effie came out of the earth to burst. Sillies for shooting like cornfields on a Monday. It's November, it's my birthday. Call me all Sunday.
Yeah, that's Miss.
Top 10 anime villain will beat your ass on a Tuesday, club going up on a Wednesday. Fuck out of here any day of the week. Cause America's weak for this purple teeth all beneath every person. A purse to savor the search. I'm too pricey, too icy. I'm like chili ices in summer. Your bummer, no Hummer, nice king. No cut through my country like butter for summer. I'm losing your vibe. Just go to my side again. I'll let it buy by your rules if you love me. You'll love your right mindset. You better be dead. Miss on Sunday. Yeah, I'm not Jack's wife, Frida. You better beat it like Jackson. I'm not Jack's wife, Frida. My name's Rain. This is the second verse, had to curse, never the worst. For scheming, I'm beaming, Jack seeing mad stocks in the sky. I'm surprised that Effie came out of the earth to silly, shooting like in the field on a Monday. It's November, it's my birthday. Call me all Sunday. Top 10 anime villains, beat your ass on a Tuesday. Club it going up on a Wednesday. Fuck out of here any day of the week, cause America's weak for this purple cunt. Deus benedictat viram montanam.
Humilis ulixis gladium in andronicum tollite dictum mortilis ulixis gladium in andronicum tollite dictum mortivivat rex licit. Deus humilis ulixis gladium in andronicum tollite dictum mortiferum infligit. Deus videt. Vivat Rex.
I got fired for the killed her. I only looked at her and I accidentally killed her. Abstract modes of forms and thought create the autistic experience of being able to exist. I'm wide awake with sorrow, space-time continuums and structure. My man is slicker to turd, don't take nothing from no nigger. I'm his butter baby. I've been that nigga, pretty but she crazy. I ain't come to make friends, I got friends at the house. Fighting demons is such a quiet activity, demanding such devices unseen between dissonance and depression is a whole fighting demons is such a quiet activity, demanding such devices unseen cataclysmic to boredom, making innovating suppression is a whole lot of faith in a web of spirit. Sporadically sparking cycles, cataclysmic to boredom, invading and invading. In scriptures, I picture perfect radical an acquaintance of mine, quaint and incidental. I come to make the devil an acquaintance of mine, quaint, the incidental, and acquaintance, incidental, and incidental, and inconsequential. Consequentially, fighting demons is such a quaint activity, demanding such devices unseen between dissonance, depression is a whole lot of spirit sporadically sparking cyclones, cataclysmic to boredom, baking and invading very scriptures. I picture you perfect rather than perfectly improbable. Don't play with me. Of mine, quaint and incidental and impossibly inconsequential. Consequently, second I beckon, I reckon you'll come begging for me. One day. This is all alleged. This is allegedly the story. We don't actually know what happened because it was 100 years ago. They didn't have a clue. So
yeah, it's like 80 years ago.
That was 80 years ago. So this is allegedly. So I couldn't even say that anything did or did not happen. But I will say it's cool that we're on that block.
Yeah.
Where it allegedly happened.
Yep, isn't that wild?
Yeah,
pretty crazy. The only reason I never seen it because I didn't know his actual. I thought his name was Sammy. So every time I looked up
His name is Santo. That's like really Italian. Like that's so Italian that it's Spanish. That's why I told you. I'm like. Oh, well of a wash pulled up on the corner. Suicidal and rancid in the hands of said a saint tonight. I'm staged with regret and haunting souls across a bloody sea. Someday you'll see a major at meager, mighty, moody, mulatto, matching millions. No Manta, I'm Santa, baby, a lady, no maybe. My coochie smell like a cherry and taste like cola, baby. I'm shady like skin, but I'm not Martha Brady. Someday you'll see me fly away on these wings I got on the street. Someday you'll see me fly away with these wings I got on the street. Someday. Pulled up on the corner, suicidal and rancid in the hands of sad as Satan. Nighttime sage with regret and haunted souls across a bloody sea. Someday you'll see a major at meager, mighty, mulatto, imagine millions, no Manta, I'm Santa, baby, a lady, no maybe. My coochie smell like a cherry, baby, tastes like cola, I'm shady like skin, but I'm not the Brady. I don't look like Martha Brady. You'll see me fly away with these wings I got on the street someday. You'll see me fly away with these wings I got on the street someday. My God, I got you, baby. My God, I got some bars written on a napkin. Catching bodies, no ransom. It's shots don't miss. Like I'm a shawty, baby. Yeah. Pussy Casio, not a rolly hoe. My credit good and my man is holy though. I be where you at, you call me I'm there. Can't act like I care, trust me I'm rare. Hubby eat me like a bear, you a square. Praise God. I'll see you again and if Goodbye, baby. Red skin, brown eyes, purple kind. She's sweet, nice and neat, have a seat. Goodbye, baby, called rainy. Suicidal and rancid, let us saints and nights of saints with regretting across the bloody sea. Goodbye, baby. Red skin, brown eyes, purple kind. She's sweet, nice and neat, have a seat. Goodbye, baby, called rainy. Praise God, fuck your theory. You're clinically brain dead. Everyone's perpetually playing dead. Sometimes they call me Plain Jane. Even though I've been locked up for being insane. And yeah, I'm in love with a ghost. No, I don't post. I'd rather stare at the wall, pray to my God. I don't like to talk about sex, because I don't have to talk about sex. You already lost. You have no idea the cost. What is pox? Not the disease. I feel your disease. My man is a Texan. He practices law. No, he don't carry a saw, but his angels like to claw. Be careful in that driver's seat, because that may not be you in the seat. You see, my children may not come back as a blonde or a dreadhead, but best believe underneath your bed is a quiet prayer from me to you, from us to y'all. We don't fumble the ball. What is a legacy? But a quiet prayer, a silent prayer on a silent night to Christ